In Baldwin County, setting bail at more than $250,000 for Tyler Henderson.
He's the guy charged with reckless murder in the crash that killed Mount Vernon police officer Ivan Lopez last week. Our investigative reporter Brendan Kirby live in Fairhope with more on this.
And Brendan, break down this bond for us.
Well, Byron and Lanice, the most serious charge is reckless murder. Baldwin County District Judge Bill Scully setting a $200,000 bail for that offense. Then there's also a charge of first-degree assault. In that case, Judge Scully sets bail at $50,000, and he added a requirement that that portion be cash or corporate surety. That will ensure that a bail bondsman would track down the defendant if he were to skip a court appearance. Henderson had a prior DUI charge that required him to have an ignition interlock installed in his vehicle, but prosecutors say that was never done. So he's got a $1,500 bail for that and driving on a suspended license. If the defendant does bond out, he'll be under house arrest and prohibited from operating a car or a boat, and he'll have to wear a device that can detect the presence of alcohol in the body. Law enforcement investigators say Henderson was on Highway 36 on August 22nd, drunk and speeding, when he blew through a stop sign and crashed into Officer Ivan Lopez's vehicle. Defense attorney John Beck asked for a $100,000 bond, but says he expects his client will be able to make the higher bail. He expressed sympathy for the officer's family and says he looks forward to reviewing the evidence.
You know, right now I'm focusing on my client, focusing on his family. It's it's a huge tragedy for everyone involved. I mean, it's for both families, especially the Lopez family. I can't imagine what they're going through, and these are the toughest cases that come along because of all the collateral consequences for an act that essentially was unintentional.
If Henderson is able to make bail, he'll have to deal with an arrest warrant that was issued by Orange Beach in connection with that DUI charge. As part of a pre-trial diversion program, the defendant was supposed to install an interlock device that would prevent the vehicle from starting if he was drunk, but prosecutors say that was not done. Reporting live in Fairhope, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.